Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can set the default messaging app on your Android mobile. See here, there are two messaging apps on my mobile. I'll search messages. See, this is Misho, keep it aside. This is one messages app. This is one messages app. I'm getting a practical problem like I'm receiving OTPs, right? Sometimes I'll check this message app, sometimes I'll check this Google message app. So I couldn't be able to confirm to which messaging app does the OTP is arrived. So the OTP is getting expired. So this is the practical problem I am facing. If you are the one, please do comment in the comment section if you do face this issue. Okay, you need to click on your Android phone settings in order to set the default messaging app. So under the settings you will find option like, see here, apps. Few mobiles it will be apps and management. Okay, anywhere you need to click that apps. So yeah, see here, app management, app cloner, and the third option is default apps. Okay, default apps, tap on this default apps, and under default apps there is an option called SMS app. Tap on this. Right now it is Google messages. If you want to change, you can change this radio button to this one, but now I'm keeping it to Google messages. And from next time when I want to text someone or when I receive an OTP, I must check this Google messages app, because this is the one I have kept as the default messaging app on this mobile. If you feel like this video is informational, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.